Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are having animal style French fries, McDonald's version though. So as you guys probably know, I live on the East Coast and we do not have In-N-Out here. But every time I see a video of In-N-Out products, I'm like, holy moly, I really want to just fly to that side to just try it. So I make the imitation animal style sauce. This is the spread actually. I included some clips of how to make it yourself. So here we have two large fries from McDonald's, sharp cheddar cheese, caramelized onions. Some people say they caramelize their onions in 10 minutes. Can you please give me some tips, because it literally took me an hour to get them this brown. I caramelized them on low. So here's the spread. So as you can see from the clips, in this spread we have mayo, ketchup, mustard, apple cider vinegar, black pepper, salt, and relish. I also added some onions in the spread this time. I usually follow this other recipe that only had ketchup, mayo, mustard, the relish, apple cider vinegar, and black pepper, but this time I watched Veronica Wang make the spread, and she put like sugar in the spread, she put onions in the spread. So I decided to try her how she made it. So this is the copycat version of the animal style spread, and this is actually steaming hot. The fries are steaming hot. They are fresh out the broiler because I had to allow the cheese to melt. Oh, this smells so amazing. I can't wait to get in here. Woo! So it's a very quick, very simple recipe. Literally anybody can make this. There are tons of clips on YouTube, on Google, on how to make this spread. A few people have their own version of how to make it, but the process is basically the same. You need Thousand Island dressing, which is or some people call it pink sauce. It's the mayo and ketchup mixed together. You need the mustard, you need the sweet relish, and black pepper. That's basically the base of the sauce, and then you can add in apple cider vinegar. Some people use white vinegar, and some people use sugar. I think what really makes this even more delicious is the caramelized onions. Oh my god, like I said, they took me an hour to make, so we're gonna like look at this for a bit. That's my little thumbnail. Oh my god. You have to try this recipe. I think this is the best spread I've made, actually, to be completely honest. Thank you, Veronica Wang. It's so good and so hot. I think next time I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese, make it a little bit more stretchy. Oh my goodness. If you haven't had this spread, please, I highly recommend making animal style fries. Very quick, very simple, very easy to make. Oop. Whoops. It's always a mess over here. So sorry. But it's so delicious and so worth making. Oh my God. As usual, to drink, I have some water on the side. No adult beverage today because I am just enjoying this delicacy. Oh my God, that cheese. So in every video that I've seen, people either use shredded cheddar cheese or they use the processed strips of cheddar cheese, but I didn't have any of that. I only had blocks of cheddar cheese. So I literally cut them into little strips and like topped it all over, and I put it in the oven and I let it broil. Totally worth it. The cheese melted perfectly. Oh, this is gonna be a big bite. How do I even... Mm. Mm. I can already tell this is gonna put me to sleep. You can add this spread on burgers because at In-N-Out they actually put the spread on the burgers. I see myself using this spread with fried food like fried shrimp, fried mozzarella sticks, because it's just so good. Sorry about the airplane. I literally live right by the airport. There's nothing I can do about it. There is no set schedule of when the planes go by, so sorry. Mm. You can now follow me on Instagram. My name will be in the description box below. I'm like really committing to this, okay? Like I'm really trying. One step at a time. One day, I'll get my page to where I want it to be. Baby steps, okay? Baby steps. I feel like YouTube is like a full-time job. And even though there's a pandemic going on, I have work. Like I do my own work on the side to make some money, since my place of business officially placed us on a layoff. They will not be opening for a while. I would be surprised if they even open this year. So I gotta make the money. So I'll be out here hustling. So I do that. I can't do YouTube full time right now. Right now it's just baby steps, building it until maybe one day eventually I'll get to a place where I can do it full time. But I'm not there right now, so constructive criticism only, please. So good. I feel it. I need a nap, like right now, immediately. I can't even do it. I'm gonna burst. Before I did this, I actually ate earlier, like I pre-ate. Had some lo mein, some dumplings. Before that, I had 2 pieces of Popeye's chicken. So I will not finish this meal right now with you guys, which should come as no surprise because I never finish my meals with you guys. I eat in small portions. 1 large fry would have been enough for me. But I got ahead of myself. I followed Veronica Wang and got 2 large fries. Lesson learned. This is delicious. I will finish this at some point this evening. Will not go to waste. It's so darn good. Anyways, make sure you guys stay safe. I will see you in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.